Hello and welcome to this documentary about AI chatbots. In today's world, artificial intelligence is used in many fields to provide better services and experiences to people. One of the most common uses of AI is in chatbots that are programmed to communicate with people using natural language. AI chatbots have become increasingly popular in recent years, with many businesses and individuals using them to provide better customer support, answer queries, and even simulate human conversations. Before we dive into the dangers and usefulness of AI chatbots, let's first clarify the difference between the nomenclature and actual use of AI. In the context of AI chatbots, the term artificial intelligence refers to the software that enables chatbots to communicate with people using natural language. However, this software is not the same as AI we see in science fiction movies that can think and reason like humans. The AI used in chatbots is more accurately described as machine learning, which means the software is trained on large amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions. Now, let's talk about the dangers of AI chatbots. One of the main concerns is that chatbots may be used to spread misinformation or manipulate people. Since chatbots can communicate with people using natural language, they could be used to influence people's beliefs or behaviour. Another danger is that chatbots may be used to impersonate real people or businesses, which could lead to fraud or other malicious activities. Despite these dangers, AI chatbots can also be incredibly useful. One of the main benefits is that they can provide a 24/7 support to customers, which is especially important for businesses that operate across different time zones. AI chatbots can also handle a large volume of queries at once, which can help businesses save time and money. Additionally, chatbots can be used to simulate human conversations, which can be helpful for people who are socially isolated or have difficulty communicating with others. However, it's important to note that there are ethical qualms about machine learning, which is the technology behind AI chatbots. One concern is that machine learning algorithms may be biased based on the data they are trained on. For example, if a chatbot is trained on data that is biased against certain groups of people, it may perpetuate that bias in its responses. Additionally, there are concerns about the transparency of machine learning algorithms and potential for them to make decisions without human oversight. In conclusion, AI chatbots can be both dangerous and useful. While there are concerns about the potential for chatbots to spread misinformation or manipulate people, they can also provide valuable services and experiences to people. As with any technology, it's important to be aware of the potential dangers and ethical concerns and work to address them as we continue to develop and use AI chatbots. Thank you for watching this documentary, and we hope you've gained a better understanding of the benefits and risks of AI chatbots.